all, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is System Test 8. So, we have a wheel lock theme, and I changed the banner, as you can see. Time and date aren't correct because they just reset, and I don't know why. Like, I haven't powered it off, so it just reset itself, so whatever. We have the Firelight BG12 LX, the Notifier NH100, the wheel lock RSS, in here, SD355. Out here, another SD355 and a wheel lock exceeder horn strobe, 75 candela high volume exceeder remote horn, and an exceeder remote strobe. So that's the system, but before I activate the system, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, and well, don't pull or tamper with fire alarms in real buildings. And let's see, what else do I need to say? And don't watch if you're sensitive to strobe lights. It is on wheel lock sync, so at least it'll be synced, but still, I don't want y'all watching if you are sensitive. This will take about 10 to 15 seconds to fully activate, I think. Or you'll hear the piano, the panel beep. Good Lord. So, the piano. Oh my God. You'll hear the piezo go on the panel though whenever it's like actually an alarm. Actually silence the horns. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to pull the BG12LX, walk around the system again, and then maybe no, I don't want to test that one, but I'll test the closet one in the next system test. Anyway, so 3, 2, 1. That was so bad. There we go. Alright, so that is everything I have for this system test. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.